So for today, I'm going to be teaching you on how to replace your Simplebooklet. To start, you'll want to find a Simplebooklet you wish to replace, in which case today I will be using Simplebooklet. Once you have found the Simplebooklet you wish to replace, click on Replace on the right-hand side. After clicking on Replace, you should be directed to this page that says Replace your Simplebooklet. I would like to replace my current Simplebooklet with a PDF. So for today, I am going to click on Upload PDF. From here on, select the PDF you would like to use to replace your Simplebooklet. So for today, I will be replacing it with Cell Sheet. Once you have selected it, click Open. As soon as it's uploaded or downloaded, you will be directed to this page. At the very top, you will be asked on how you should handle page replacement. The drag-down select menu in the top keeps existing features like buttons, link hotspots, and any other content you added using the Edit tool. This is the default. You would only use the other drop-down option if you wanted to remove all these enhancements you made in your previous version. Since my previous booklet had no page enhancements, I'm just going to keep it as it is. When you're done, click Next. Following that, you are asked to select fold lines for your booklet. I'm going to run through how these fold lines should look. So a bifold would have one fold in the middle, a trifold will have two folds, and a fold gate will have three. For example, a trifold is used for brochures that are PDFs that have 3 panels on each PDF page, and 4 folds is for gated brochures. If you're unsure, or like me, your PDF is simply a presentation, select No Fold. And then when you're done and you're happy, click Next. You'll have 2 conversion methods for your PDF, and the difference is that HTML5 allows us to vectorize the text and make it editable in the editor, and to surface hyperlinks in your uploaded file works as well. The image option flattens each of your PDF pages into a single image file. The default recommended option is HTML5, so that is what I'm going to go with today. When I am done, I click Next. Now that I am happy with all of my options, I'm going to click Complete. As you can see, the booklet has now been changed. The URL has not changed, and neither has any of the effects I have added. The microsite is still the same as it is, and if you had previously added a background to the Simplebooklet that you're replacing, and you have kept it as it is, then you would have a background as well, and only the Simplebooklet itself would have changed. Thank you for listening, guys.